So here what I'm anticipating here is market close about this area. So this is very suspicious because here what we can expect is market creates the liquidity. Got the liquidity. Here there's an FVG. You see, there's a 1 minute FVG. If the body close above this handle, okay, if the body close above this candle, then I'll look for an entry to buy from here because that will be an inversion parallel gap. So here we have 30 minutes seconds to uh, complete this uh, from this candle. So after that we will decide. So mainly I'm focusing on taking a trade on silver bullet with a micro time. So in this case, I'm expecting this candle to close above this. Successfully, it's closed above this. So what I'm expecting is I'm waiting for another 2 minutes to get an entry. So in S&P 500, okay, that's fine. Always below. Oh, still it's close above. So that's a suspicious trade for me. But yes, I'm good to take trade in this area. Holy shit. One, no, zero, 6, 47. So what we notice here is still the body close above this, but this previous candle is disrespect. So I'm not going to enter this trade because uh, here the body close about it, but still the previous FAG, the 3 minute FAG, respecting on this area. So now we can see the clear rejection. So I'm not going to enter this trade. Enter the trade, waiting for the price to take the liquidity of any of this area. Then after any of this level. So here we have a sell side liquidity in the lower time frame. So maybe if the market respecting this 3 minutes parallel gap, then here you can see the clear displacement on the sell side. When the market close above this, only we can expect the trade to move higher. Till then, we can't assure that the market can do something. Again, market the price trying to create the uh, movement, the body above this FAG. So that's my expected model. So in market, what I have to consider is don't expect the market to show what you want. So rather than that, try to understand what the price is showing you. So that's the best way to trade because you have to keep your expectations outside of the market rather than expect what you want to do because market wouldn't create things that you expected to do. So in that case, keep calm and watch the price action. So that's the only best thing you can do. So just notice how price is moving here from this area. Market moved in the lower time frame. It's bearish. Then took this liquidity. You can see that clearly. So took the liquidity in a very low time frame. When it's come to NQ, it took the liquidity, but when it's come to ES, it didn't took the liquidity. It's a very clear double bottom. So equal low as well. It creates the equal low, and then I'll remove this SMD. But yes, of course, it's an equal low. But when it's come to NQ, it's an SMD. But still, am I into this trade? No, because I didn't enter this trade. I'm waiting for the confirmation to enter the trade. Let's see what's the market is trying to show you. make sure that don't run from here and there to get an idea. Just stay calm. That's all I can say. Just notice what's the price is trying to create. From this area, there was a 3 minutes FVG. Then after that, price creates a 3 minutes FVG. Price moved below, but we are in the for fair gap. Then after that, price trying to move higher. Then took this FVG as a supportive area. Then it's respected. Then move below. It means move to the bearish side. Then it creates the SMT. Then after, in this moment only, we can expect the trade to move higher because we expect it create the SMT. Then whenever it creates the SMT in this area, we can see that there was a Favali gap. But have you noticed that whenever the Favali gap trying to move higher, the previous 3 minutes Favali gap still respecting in this area. So we'll wait for the price to create some more price actions. So it's creating very displacement, very aggressive move. In this case, you can see that very aggressive move. So what I notice here is NQ took the low, but S&P 500 didn't took the low. So here, there's another SMT. As an SMT, we notice that whenever price create a fairly gap in this area, so like we'll wait for the price to do something. So wait for the candle to close. So the very clean, clear displacement. We'll see what's the next candle does. Yes, it's trying to create the low. Still failed to create the low again. Is the protected low, as I know in this case. We'll see. We'll see. But here we have equal low, so we can expect the market to move lower. There are possibilities because even though if it goes higher, definitely it will come back to take this equal low. Yes, exactly. There's an equal low, so price moved lower and took the low. Clean. This is so sad for me because here there's another equal high. The candle cross about this area with a body. That's why I will expect the trade to move higher. Until then, just notice the price action. So we are in the equal zone. Again, follow gap, respecting. Okay, actually, S&P 500 is bearish today. The overall ES and NQ, ES is bearish today, and NQ is bullish. But we'll see. We'll see what's the market. So what the price trying to create. When the price creates or the close the body above this FEG, right? If the body crosses above the FEG only, I'll look for an entry. So respecting, you can notice that in the consequent encroachment. So the it's come to the FEG. It's respecting the 50% of this level of FEG. The market trying to reverse this point, but still rejected by the previous FEG. You can notice that still respecting the consequent encroachment. Look at the 50 percentage of this body. Okay, look how price is more further lower. It means it's respecting this area, moving further low. So the very protected area is actually this 3 minutes FEG till now. If the ES, if ES and NQ creates another SMT in any bar, that's where I'll look for an entry. Until that, just watch the price action, what it creates, what it does. So this was earlier. I can say that it's an SMT price move for the power. So range confirmation equal low. Took low took great. NQ took the low. ES didn't. So ES also took the low. Clean. We'll see. A short time we can expect something. But we'll see. Still we are in. Look how these 3 hours if we respect in this area. Probably here. Okay. It's a great high, corrected high. And also good trade. Yeah, it's good to see like we can see the price against as we want. Like it's crazy to see in this market. It is. Wait for the price to close. Great. Now the FAG. What I can expect from here, from the market, what I can expect. What do you see? The inefficiency, the price. What do you see? If you look at it in the long time frame, the higher time frame, market swept this area, came back, look at the price move. That was an aggressive move. That was an aggressive move. Thank you. I'll wait for the price to create 5 minutes because this area is an expected area. This way we can expect the price to move further higher or lower. Yes, exactly. We expect the price to come to this level. I'm not sure whether it can reverse as well. And the candle close from this area, we can expect the trade prospecting this FEG again, disrespecting this area. Was a clean trade. IFEG overlapping FEG is a high probability trade in my case. Okay, here another thing what I know is a CSI, CISD, change in the state of delivery. Market pricing, okay, the price is moving higher to expect to hit this area. Always target the swing point, but definitely not always. But this is a possible area that we can expect the market to move high further. We'll see. Yes, no worries. I'm gonna do with paper trading. If you guys worry about it, don't please. It's completely for educational purpose and following, just documenting what I'm doing in my life. So almost, if I take an entry from this area, exactly, I'm almost up in 1%, close to, yes. Oh, 3.54 pips here. Yes, of course, 3.11. Like, it's clean. It's clean. The trade is clean. But the rate that I missed, yes, of course, of course. The particular was about the Fiji. Actually, the IAFG only. I ended the trade. Yes, of course. It's close above the IFG. I could have ended this area. The most of the time, that's what I noticed that sometimes I will wait for the confirmation, but That's how I missed most of the trades. I thought of entering from here somewhere at least to go for it, but no, fine. Uh, Still, the trade is expectable. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see the market to create something. Great area. Another hand, I can say this is an MSS. Like so many confirmation, we don't need to complicate things. Yes, of course, there will be people say that don't complicate things. But it's okay, man. It's okay. I don't wanna create anything right now. Wait for the price to reverse back. At this point, kind of disappointed with this settings. Wait for the session to close. Wait. What's that? What the fuck is that? Kill zones? Nah, kill zones. I'm just disabling all the kill zones. Fuck it up. Look what the market is creating for you. What the price is creating for you. That was a good trade if I ended from the point where I marked down. Keep it a lot higher. We expect here. It's 1.5. It's a clean trade. Yes. Okay. This is so suspicious. But yes, if the price moves above, market is gonna move higher. Actually, I didn't end the trade because I was kind of expecting to come back to this area, but we'll see. Equal high as we mark down. Let's create the equal high as well. I will wait for the price to go further higher or low. The higher time frame anticipates that look what market is trying to create. It's a clean price action. It's of course sweep in this area. It's moving higher. If I note it down in 4 hour, there's a clean sweep. This will go for lower time frame. Like we are trading on the lower time frame. Expect the market to move higher. So this is for my purpose only. Listen, look here. The price is still expecting this area. Okay. What I can expect from here? The market to create what? Create what? There are sell side liquidities. It's buy side liquidities. Took the buy side liquidity. Okay. Moving for the higher. Moving to the buy side liquidity. This is where you have to anticipate and wait and watch what's the market creating. In 5 minutes, 5 minutes, it's 250, 255, 250, 55, 250, then 250. So of course, market is somewhere still respecting this area. This is kind of a very valid area. Exactly, we can expect the market to move higher, but not right now. It need to digest more. So wait for the price to move a bit more lower to digest and collect all the stop losses to move higher. Here we have 3 minutes parallel gap. At least in the time we can expect the market to come to this area, to the CISD level change in the state of delivery. So we can expect that area to come to go further higher. Mm, great. This is a great shot, by the way. But what do you notice here? What do you notice here? Market is moving to the higher. It's okay. Sometimes should happen. Don't worry about the trade that you missed because it's usual. If you don't get this trade, like don't worry about that. There'll be another session. There'll be another day. So the market is not gonna close for today, right? So if you miss the trade today, you can take the trade tomorrow or the next week. So wait for the right entry. That's all I can say. We'll see. We'll see what's the price is doing here, this area. So I'll clear this area because this was a previous. I have like when it's come to somewhere. Like that's for 1 minute. Sorry. So then I'll clear uh, all the areas. Sorry. So keep the is to so clean. So till this area. That 3 minutes. Well, like look how it's respecting. Oh, it's like too much of consultation in this area. Here we can notice that. Sorry. Here completely shit. I have no idea price what price is trying to create, but somehow low time frame maybe took the liquidity to move higher. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So when the price comes lower than this, I'll look for an entry to move higher. At this point, this is the expected fair gap because very supported fair gap or protected fair gap we can say on the other hand because this is very low to this area to come back because if you look at it 40 level from here to here, right? it's below. So this is the fair value gap that below 4.5, but market have the capable to come to this low. That's why you have to worry about it. So maybe we can expect the trade to enter from this current second encroachment area. I don't want to complicate the much, but see, price moving higher. Sorry, I'm just looking at the standard deviation. If that's so, that's possible. Yeah, that's a clean trade there. But the market comes back to take this liquidity to tap it here to move higher. That's where you can expect a very solid trade. What's the time right now? 3:32. So the next macro is 4:3 to 4:30. But yes, of course, our silver bullet is like below between 3 to 4. We'll see. This fucking 3 minutes Pahali gap is kind of very strong. Look, the body is not even closing below this area. So it's like respecting from every point of view. I could have into this trade. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So 1.8. Good try. Keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it. Because I'm expecting this trade to come lower or to take this liquidity, okay, to move further higher. Great, as we had expected. Market is great. It's a good see. Took the liquidity from here to here. Look at the OT. Ooh, am I complicating things? Not really. You see, this is the area I'm expecting to enter. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Let's see what it's trying to create. Still, again, it's tapped. We can enter the trade from here as well. Let's see. This is six. Perhaps I'm okay to enter from here, but we'll see. Okay, the 3 minutes. Like prospecting again. Suspicious. Actually, nothing is suspicious. Everything working well. 3 minutes. It's just a one candle. It's just one candle. So I'm expecting this whole move to 55, 50, point 50 percentage. It means like this. Look, that 0.5, that 50 percentage of this whole move, and 3 minutes FEG have that consequent encouragement, and the CSCD, CICD is overlapping in this area. So look, we can expect the gray tap in this area. We can expect the price to tap this area. Oh, oops, it's already tapped. Is it? That's a FEG. Inside the 1 minute is FEG here. It's 3 minutes, but here the 1 minute FEG tapped more, but it's just tapped. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll wait the price to move for the lower. I'm gonna keep an alarm below this because entering from this area is too much of risk at this point, because market is progressing from this area took before, like after took these biset liquidity, it's rushing from this area. It don't even touch the lower one. So I'm anticipating the price to move for the lower, to take more supports to move higher. So I can expect this low to take one. Then after that, I'm expecting the price to move for the higher. So I wait. Patience is the key. That's all I can say. Patience is the clear key. Okay, there's a good move from yes, but NQ didn't move as I expected. It's so suspicious. So wait for the price to move for the lower. Okay, I'll take a cup of tea and come back. Oops, wait. What's happening here? Let's see the price, the body process below above. In that case, then I will expect the trade to from move further. So it's respected. That's how I can take it. But wait for the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close. Good move. You. That is a great move. What I can expect from this area. Sorry. So look, look, look. It's a sweep. Expecting this 3 minutes valley gap again and again. So the price is telling that it's gonna go for the lower. our overall move is higher. So because I'm expecting this area, from this area to move the price to move further higher. That's a good sweep, bro. Good sweep. Good sweep. That's a good sweep. Actually, look, that's a good sweep area. Okay, then we'll see. Oops. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, great. Took the low. This area. Tap. Is a 50 percentage of this. Very closer. Okay, wait for another candle to move before the lower to take the entry. Okay, guys, get ready for sniper entry. Took the low again. Hmm. I'm expecting the price to move for the higher part here from this area. Entering the trade wouldn't make. Do you think it will make sense? Let's see. If the body closes above this, I'll take this area as a support. I'll end the trade. We'll see how it works. Just look at the higher frame of it's kind of close. Tap moving back again, but just wait and see. Price or time. Time first and the price. We'll wait for the good move. So what do you notice here? Again, more than that, clear, clear consolidation. So accumulation, expecting a manipulation in this area. So I am great to end up from this area. I don't expect the price to come this much lower. Mm, taking part still suspicious. Maybe it's possible to move it more for the lower. But if the price, if the candle closes above the previous candle, the body closes above the previous candle, I'll expect the price to move for the high. So we can expect the good entry. Okay, sweep again. Expect the trade to candle to what? To do what? Okay. No. Wait. No hurry at all. Open, high, low, close. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, let's sweep. 5 minutes itself says sweep. 50 minutes. That's all our species. 4 hours is like great sweep for this area. I think so. Price is not even started to move for the very cleaner. So we'll wait and see. You. That was a good move in my case. Again, again another consolidation. Wait for the price to close above this area. It's a great point because like look, the consequent encouragement for the 4 hours family gap and 3 minutes family gap, but wait for the price to move it more to give a clear direction. Respecting this area because look very closer to the 50% of this area. Because you have to understand that if the price is going to go higher, there should be a sweep. There should be a liquidity collection. So if the liquidity collected only, we can expect the price to move further higher or lower, if following any direction, very smoothly. Otherwise, we can expect the price to stay in the same area to do more consolidation. So we'll wait for the price to tap and create a any PDA array to tap and move for the any direction to create a displacement. So creating a displacement that uh, anticipate that we are in the direction of. Okay, what I notice here? What I notice here? An SMT that creates on ES and NQ. So wait for the price to wait for the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close. That will be my great area to enter. Okay, fine. I could have keep it here, but no, kind of anticipated in this area because the low I could have keep it here. So that's why this area. So enter this trade, collected, no point, no worries. Right or wrong is apart. Oh, my entry was here. Bro, there was a huge stop loss. Not a huge stop loss by the way. Sweep, right. Oops. Furthermore, lower. But still, the NQ low is protected. What you can say more than that? Actually, I'm showing here is ES and I entered from LQ. Yes, exactly. But most of the time, my analysis will be in ES. Most of the time, I don't know. Like, uh, yes, NQ is good. You could say that NQ is good. But in my case, I'm more into ES. expect the price to move for the higher, and I expect the price to the candle to close above this area. It's a good move, by the way. If the price, okay, it was a nice move and took the high. So I went outside. Sorry, uh, expecting the price to move further. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reduce the stop losses. I'm gonna move the stop losses to this area. So it's got in. That's fine because in my case, at this point for this 100 challenge, I'm losing $20 per trade. It's like less than 0.5 in my case. So great move. Okay, great move. It's an FEG. What price is doing? So it took the liquidity, but that's another thing I have to notice because here the today opening is there. Okay, so that work as a support. Okay, tap again, respecting that OB, the previous copy. Okay, it's moving for the low. What? Creating what? Just wait and see. No more anticipation. No more overtrades. Respect. If you take one trade, just stay in that area. If it's failed, okay, no worries, accept it. But don't try to move your stop losses. Like in that case, I move the stop losses. What I'm saying is it's moved for the higher than I expected. So from here to here is a good 1.45. Actually, it took the DP that I expected. But in this case, I went outside to get some water. So in that case, I didn't set the TP. So it's okay, fine. There is nothing wrong in it. Just wait. I'm an NQ, so this is yes, still NQ respecting that area. We'll see. Again, what do you notice here? ES took the low, NQ didn't took the low. Kind of a sus. We'll see. It's so sus. Okay, so I move the stop loss to below of this. Kind of a big stop loss. Set it like 16 bars. Nah, fine. I'm good. We'll see. So this is actually I'm looking at nothing special. So in other hand, I'm looking at what we can see here. What do you expected to see here? Look, what do you expected to see here from the market? What do you expect? It should move for the higher. That's my expectation. But don't expect the market to show what you want to see. So wait and see the price action. How it moves. It's moving for the higher or lower. Just try to analyze. Analyze. That's all. Don't know complicate. Just analyze. That's all I can say. Look. So suspicious in this area. Candle itself says the market is gonna do move for the lower, but still in Q holding. Okay, I'm out. Fine. Just one loss. Probably I'll upload this video on YouTube. Yes, whatever it is, fine. Even though the way I talk, the way I explain, maybe the tree that I entered, whatever it is. But but the thing is, market is creating very different layouts. In any case, even though for the whole move, I expected this area to move higher. That's crazy part. So two trades, by the way, today. This was the one I took, and this is the one I missed actually. Raised lower, 3 pips. That's enough. The trade that I missed. Yeah, 1.3. This one and this one. There's an aggressive move. Damn. By the way, in short time, it's more further higher. It's following its direction. Somehow, if the prediction. Oh, oops. This was so suspicious. Bro, this was like NDX. Solid move. But what do you notice here? No, I'm not going to. Just, I'm just typing and saying. That's all. Don't worry about it. Okay, anyways, have a good day. We'll see. because in this case I'm expecting this area to be taken, not to taken. In next 4 5, it's like it should be something below. No, no. If that's all, then I'll do this way. Yes, in this case, I'm anticipating the price to move for the higher look. Was here, was now the gap. IFG, smooth. That was my second trade. So this. In this case, expecting the price to move for the higher, but S&P is moving. Oh shit! But now, yeah, it's closes below. So respecting this FPG, if it's more higher only, I can expect the trade to move for the higher. We'll see. Okay, I'm out. I think this area tapped. Yes, option to move, go for higher. It's low. You allow, take it. That's all I can say. It took the low. This area is so protected. Yes, move. I'm done for the day. Two trades.